In this video, I will show you how to check if your PayPal account is verified. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to paypal.com and log into your account. Now, by default, if you've already linked a card or a bank account, that should automatically verify your account. If you haven't done that, the way to do this is if you come to the top, you've got these different options. You want to click on to pay and get paid. Then in the wallet section, you want to come down and click onto bank accounts and cards. Now from here, if you've not currently linked any cards or bank account, all you need to do is generally at the bottom of the page, if you scroll down, you're going to see the button to link either card or bank account. So you want to click onto any of those, and that's going to take you across to a screen where you can go ahead, enter your card number details, so like your expiry date, the security code on the back, and choose your billing address, and then you want to come down and press the blue link card button. Now after linking your card, that's going to go ahead and successfully verify your PayPal account. Now in the future, they might ask to do further verification checks. So they might request things like a driver's license or a passport, which you can of course send a photocopy, but they don't necessarily need that straight away. As long as you've linked a card or bank account, your PayPal account would be verified. So that is how to check if your PayPal account is verified. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.